Welcome back to Andes Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Spotify Blends playlist. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Spotify, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating a Spotify Blends playlist is a fun way to combine music tastes with a friend or another Spotify user because it allows you to discover new artists and songs that you might not have encountered on your own. Your friend's music taste can introduce you to hidden gems. Alright, so once you are on the website of Spotify, now I need you to go to the search button in the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the made for you. Alright, once you are here, click on the create a blend, the plus button, and what will happen is if you click that option, you would have the option to pick a friend to create a blend with a playlist that shows how music taste matches up. Just click on the invite option or this plus button. Now, when you click on the invite button, what will happen is the link copied to a clipboard. And please take note that you may invite up to 10 people. Connected people will see your profile picture and username. And inviting friends will create a playlist and use other recommendation features that match your taste. Now, it's a different option when you hover to your Spotify app on your mobile device because now, once you are inside the Spotify app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to where it says search button at the bottom. And from here, just like the website, click on the made for you option. And then from here, just click on create a blend, which is made for us. And then here, again, similarly to the web, you can invite friends to blend and you can invite up to 10 friends to blend, a shared playlist that gives you social recommendation based on all of your music taste. But please take note that in this blend, they will be able to add friends and they may also create other playlists that include social recommendations. People in social recommendations playlist will be able to see your profile picture and username. And of course, you can learn more about these playlists and information they include. Now, if you click on the invite button here at the bottom, what will happen is you would be forwarded with different options and where you can invite you to join a Spotify blend list or blend playlist. All right, WhatsApp, Facebook, Quick Share, Instagram, Gmail, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Discord, and a lot more. And of course, you can also copy the link so that you can send that to the different social media platforms here in the Spotify. Now, please remember that Spotify Blends playlist updates dynamically based on both of your listening habits. This allows you to track changes into your music taste over time and see how they evolve. And of course, creating a Spotify Blends playlist is a fun and enjoyable experience that adds layers to the interactivity to your music listening device. It's a collaborative effort that celebrates your friendship through music. Now, in any case you encounter any problems creating a blend playlist here in Spotify, you simply need to go to the Spotify Help Center and send them a message. If in case you can't create a Spotify Blends playlist, probably there's a technical problem or like a bug, you might want to ask them a message. All right, so that one of the Spotify support staff will give you insights on how you can troubleshoot this problem that you encounter. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.